Another day, another robot, and I'm so excited about this one. This is the MACH V1 Ultra. It's incredible. Of course, it's a vacuum, and it's probably the smartest vacuum we've ever used. Look at this. I just want to show you everything about it. It's already talking to me of it. So as you can see, it's got its own stand where it does all of its charging, which is awesome. So the base station is right here, super nicely designed as well. And also, speaking of design, look at how cool this thing is. Of course, if I press down here, I can just bring it down and it's, can you imagine? It's all ready to go. I'm like, I gotta turn this off because I have to show you the screen that it comes with. So let's go from the top all the way to the bottom and talk about everything. Look at this gorgeous LCD screen. You have a lock mechanism. So of course now I turned it off so nothing can, I don't have to press anything like that. So like, boom, now I just woke up the the vacuum. I've got my power button, of course, and all of the settings. So I've got different power settings and it is self-cleaning. And the really cool thing I like about this thing is that yes, you can turn it on, but there's a trigger button. It's just like a video game and you're cleaning your house. There's a trigger button right here. When you press the trigger, it starts cleaning, right? And it's got that pull, which I like. It really gives you that sense of it's guiding you and not you trying to push some heavy duty or some heavy machine. It is not that heavy, but it is heavy duty. And also from the top, we're gonna move on down. This little button is the self-cleaning button. So you press that and the rolling, and of course we'll talk about that in a second, but that rolling mechanism will actually clean itself. So this will clean itself. And the cool thing is that even if it's not in the base station, it could clean itself and it dries itself as well. So you don't get that moldy sensation or smells. And right now to the touch, I can feel it's wet. And why is it wet? Because right here, we have the water tank. So super easy to just take out.
Tank has been taken out.
Water tank is right here. We've got some water, just tap water, no detergent, no nothing in it, just pure, simple tap water. Why? Because the detergent, so smart, I'm telling you, comes in here. This is the detergent that it comes with, and it's this one right here. It's awesome because the machine knows how much it needs, and you're not going to have any mishaps, any problems, because you let the robot decide exactly what it needs. Boom, fits right there. You've got your water tank. But then you might say, well, I've got my detergent. I've got my clean water tank. Where does that dirty water go? Right here. This is where the dirty water go, and let me show you.
The water tank has been taken out.
So smart. I love all those connections, those sensors. The robot knows when the water tank is empty, when the water tank, dirty water tank is full, and lets you know. There's a really nice filter here, super easy to clean, to dry, for every time you need to empty this dirty water tank. And you can see, so easy to just put in, and the machine knows it's there, ready to go. I love the fact that, like I showed you just before, I love the fact that this exists, because you know that if this was just stuck there, part of the design, you would want to be able to access this if there's something large or if there's anything, because this puppy has some suction action. So we'll show you that in a sec. And what's the point of a robot like this with self-cleaning, with water, mopping action and rollers? What's the point? Well, this thing can actually vacuum any hardwood floor, any hard floors, right? Any mess that you would have, dry or, yes, wet. And we'll show you an example. This thing is a monster on wet spills. Instead of using so many paper towels or this and being on your hands and knees, just whip out your MACH V1 and it will do the job for you. It's incredible. And it does come, I just want to show you guys before we go to the sample or the demo, it does come with an extra roller, which is really, really cool. And it comes with the extra filter for the dirty tank. Of course, like we showed, it comes with the solution and with a nice little, cleaning tool. If you need to go into those crevices or hard to reach spaces or spots, you can clean your machine with that. The MACH V1. Let's see it in action. You won't believe your eyes. So right now I'm in smart mode. Smart mode basically says that it will detect whatever's on the ground and adjust itself to whatever it is, right? So right now we've got quite a mess. I've got some chips, I've got some dry stuff and some wet stuff. So I'm on smart mode. I'm gonna pull the trigger and hope for the best. I have to say that's actually pretty impressive. It is mopping, always using clean water with that detergent. And it took care of it. I mean, it took care in a matter of seconds. And everything is right here. And look at this. This is the cool thing. The dry, bigger compartments or bigger debris right here, caught into that little filter. And the liquid is all at the bottom, easily, just cleaned after. I mean, I'm shocked. And look at this. This is still very, very clean because it self-cleans continuously. And this is almost practically dry. Wow.